Alright, well people, we are here at the backing farm, banging them in through the Carter. For a little while, we weren't seeing her playing just after the coach, and your confidence has been restored, Trudi. What do you make of your new form, scoring goals, game after game?
I would say just hard work and patience. I've been working really hard, like what you said. I wasn't really scoring goals. I was more focused on like assisting. But now I get the chance and I know that I'm going to put them away. Once I get them, I'm going to put them away.
Yeah. Is there anything you think like, well, we're going to play against, we don't know who's going to be in the zone, but this is the final stage. Is there anything you think you need to add to your game as you look forward to the final stage of the tournament in Mexico?
Yeah, I think there is still more. I think there is still more room for improvement because I'm still not at my best yet. But I think with patience and more hard work, I will get there.
Yeah. And also, I realized that there are a couple of times when you had that slip pass, and you seem to not be coordinating as well with Khadija, either by movement. What are some of the things you're going to do off the field to kind of get that chemistry going?
Yeah, I think, me and Bonnie been playing for like 10, 20 years, so I think it's easy for us to work on each other. But I think with more time playing together, it's going to come up, it's going to come.
Well, all the best, and again, well done. 4 games, 5 goals. And here's the thing, when you score, I don't know if you know this, when you score, Jamaica never lose. All the goals that you gave the scoring, Jamaica's won. So congratulations, and just keep on scoring because we'll keep on winning.
Thank you so much. I will definitely do.